Received a number file from a Mac user and need to access the spreadsheet data? This is Apple's modern alternative to Excel. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open Apple Numbers spreadsheet files on any platform. Here's a habit I've developed. I always keep a dedicated third-party file viewer installed. It's perfect for quickly troubleshooting basic number file rejection errors. Watch for more info on my top pick. A user searching for number files is almost always trying to open a spreadsheet created with Apple Numbers, the default spreadsheet application on macOS, iOS, and iPadOS. They often need to view, edit, or convert the file for use in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, a common compatibility challenge. A number file is a package directory, a compressed zip archive, containing multiple components like XML files for data and structure, a preview image, and metadata. This package-based design allows for rich content, including images and charts, while maintaining organization and enabling features like iCloud syncing. When viewing the file metadata, the number shows a direct link to Apple Numbers from Apple. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows shows only grid-level information, while complete functionality relies on spreadsheet software. We are performing the initial software environment diagnostic. Right-click your number file and choose Open With. Test with Apple Numbers first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software switch. If you cannot access the number file, no problem. Why is the file failing? It's not random. Here are the most common technical factors preventing your number file from opening correctly. First, opening on Mac and iOS. Open number files. Natively in Apple Numbers free on macOS, iOS, and iPadOS. Use File, then open in macOS Numbers or tap the File in Files app on iOS. Numbers provides full editing capabilities with the original formatting tables and formulas preserved for complete spreadsheet functionality across Apple devices. Next, accessing on Windows or web. Use iCloud.com to access number files through any web browser by uploading to iCloud Drive and opening with Numbers for iCloud. This provides full Apple Numbers functionality on Windows and other non-Apple platforms. Sign in with an Apple ID to access the web-based Numbers application from any modern browser. Finally, converting to Excel format. Export number files to XLSX format from Apple Numbers using File, then Export, to then Excel for use in Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or other spreadsheet applications. While most content converts, some number-specific features like multi-table sheets may simplify during conversion. CSV export provides maximum compatibility for tabular data only. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.